Look at that one! He's going to his buddy. Oh, you think it's sneaky?
Dang it!
Where's the other one?
Go running.
Oh, dang it! I can't cross.
Yeah, you can't stop that. Stop, Jada.
I don't think I'm going to play it.
Dang it, come back over here. He's like, let's find people.
Seriously?
Look at that.
Look at this one. You recording it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna just go in front like it's nothing.
It's not a defense mechanism, you stupid.
What's the eyeball doing right here?
Yeah. The ball are cold.
Where's Mom?
Show off. Dang, we just left Mom? Come on, we gotta go back.
She's right over there.
What are you talking about?
She went in that hut.
Oh. Let's chase that squirrel. Let's chase that squirrel and videotape it. Come here, girl. Shake that tail feather. Shake it. Uh-oh. Look, she's shaking it, Josh. Look at that shaking action. Look at that. What? No, I ain't touch it. Look, it's shaking his tail feathers, though. Do it. Don't touch it, Jada. Watch out, man.
Jada, stop. We're just doodle back here. We're gonna doodle towards Jalen.
He gonna explosive diarrhea back at us.
C4 doodle.
Look at these. There's so many of them. They just loose.
Who about to pull it by his tail?
Hey. What's up?
That one looks mean, yo. This one looks mean.
Yup. Yup. Quit
Jada,
touching
stop.
them, man. Before they attack us.
Hey, look at their talons, though. When we just grab us, we're done. The arms getting cut up.
Wait, look, if you grab one of them, see that little thing right there? That's on the foot.
We're on your head, buddy. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go around. You stay there.
So close.
Oh, videotape the white
Oh,
orange.
wait. You videotaping it, Jalen?
Look at that eyeball.
Huh?
Look at this.
Can I touch you?
I wonder if he can feel that.
You're cute.
Look at this. Touching the bird.
Touching the bird's tail. Oh, it is.
I'm standing right in front of it. Ooh,
Check out that
I
boot.
wonder if they can feel
you gotta
that.
check out that boot.
Touching his eyeball.
Yeah, he felt that because he moved.
Yeah.
He did it. Buddy,
You look really cool.
let's see how pull your foot. What, nigga?
What?
Pull
What?
that bitch like what?
It
I
feels so
touched your
cool.
eyeball. Yeah, I touched your eyeball. What you gonna do about
In
it?
his eyeball.
Yeah.
Let's get back in front.
Why
Oh.
would I put you in your eyeball?
The stuff in their back looks like cotton. See that? Oh, chill.
I don't care.
Okay.
Oh, shake it. Oh.
I don't appreciate that.